All of Bollywood's glamour was covered last night at the Times Food and Nightlife Awards 2014, जहां Bollywood के कई सितारे आए थे. To start with, we spotted Jacqueline Fernandez dazzling in a glamorous avatar at the event. Moving on, we spotted Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Amit Saad, Tushar Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao in the actors list. Coming back to girls, we spotted the beautiful ladies Sunny Leone, Sona Mahapatra, Rakul Preet, Sophie Chaudhary, Shriya Saran and many more. On stage, we got to capture a glimpse of Bappi Lahiri. वैसे जाते जाते, we got the chance to chat exclusively with the former Miss India Ankita Shorey, who was looking stunning in her Desi avatar. So chaliye take a look at this exclusive interview with the beautiful and gorgeous lady Ankita Shorey.
Stealing your breath away in this beautiful Indian attire, Ankita Shorey. Ankita, obviously you're not going to try anything here, right? Looking at you, I don't think you eat much.
No, actually I'm quite a big foodie. And I hog on to literally every cuisine that is placed in front of me, and Japanese being my favorite one. So I really don't diet at all. You can ask my manager sitting there.
You don't?
I love dal makhani, I love lachha parathas, I love to feed myself on paneer. I'm a vegetarian.
Sure.
And yeah, so I like literally like everything which is to be eaten vegetarian in the world.
I assume vegetarian food is your where you're going to focus tonight as well, right? Anything special? Desserts?
My whole life, I have never tasted non-vegetarian, and I'm quite anti-killing animals. So yeah, so I think I'm going to be just looking forward to some nice vegetarian cuisine.
Along with that, I'd like to ask you, do you also cook well?
All that I can do is I can serve a glass of water to myself. My mom is going to hear that and she's going to be like, "ये राज क्यों निकाला? अब कोई तुमसे शादी नहीं करेगा."
I mean, that's okay. I mean, most of us, I don't think it's a cliche thing that women should know how to cook, right?
You know what? I just love giving instructions and orders to my staff. ये बनाओ, मुझे ये खाना है, मुझे वो खाना है, ये अच्छा नहीं बना, इसको और अच्छे से बनाओ. My mom says just enter the kitchen and you will know what it is, you know, to cook and all.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I tell my mom कि you know जब ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो पड़ेगी. Now right now I'm like pampered with my staff around, so why should I?
So for all the men, is a way to Ankita's heart, is it through her stomach?
No.
No?
The way to my heart is a beautiful heart. He should have.
How cute. But if men can cook, I'm sure they'll impress you as well.
Actually, not really. I think what will impress me the most in a man is if he would have a heart of gold. You know, so for me that is really more important. And not really what a man would do for me in kitchen. Like for that, I can hire a staff for all my life.
That you can.
Yeah, but I can't hire a husband. Or either a boyfriend.
Even a boyfriend.
You can't hire a boyfriend. Needs to be like that ready-made material.
For letting you go and enjoying the night further. A lot of exciting things happening, I'm sure. Anything on that note, can you reveal something to us, please?
I can, and I wanted to reveal since a very long time, which is not a very, very happy part, which is I was hospitalized for a couple of months.
Sure.
And so which I was out of scene for a good 5-6 months, and everyone was wondering that, oh, you know, where is she? And a lot of people assumed that I'm shooting for a film.
Yeah.
It wasn't the case because I just signed 3 films with Bhushan Kumar and I was stuck on a hospital bed. So yeah, so I've just recovered about 2 months ago, and since then I have been shooting. And Chili, the famous brand, Bipasha Basu is endorsing that brand. So they have signed me on as their brand ambassador for their fashion line of clothing.
Fantastic.
So I've just shot for their campaign, and I have also, me and my best friend have designed the summer collection for it. So, and then I have also shot a personal fashion video for which I have composed an original track and I've written the lyrics. So that's gonna be on air soon too.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So like composer, singer, designer, what more?
No, I think it's just to keep myself busy, and then I wanted to actually make a showreel to present to directors and producers.
Sure.
But it just turned out to be a very nice video, and I wanted to compose an original track for it, which is an English track. And so I just thought, because I actually composed a track on life of a beauty queen.
Sure.
And you know, so we are all associated with Miss India. So all my lyrics are basically a beauty queen who's in love with a man. And you know, so when she has a heartbreak, and you know, then how she deals with the stardom and the shutterbugs and all of that. So the lyrics are on that. And yeah, so it will be firstly aired on Zoom.
Yeah.
Very shortly, so have a look.
But that, you know, that sounds deep. We are definitely looking forward to that, Ankita. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
All in all, इस इवेंट की शाम एक खूबसूरत अंदाज पर आकर खत्म हो गई. For Rudrani Chattoraj, Zoom, Mumbai.